Hey guys, it's Gigi, and today I'm going to show a tutorial on how to do the East Coast glam look for my Maybelline collection. It's bold, it's sexy. We're gonna use the tinted primer to start to all the looks from my Maybelline collection. It's so sheer, it's so easy to use and beautiful and feels so light on your skin. Love. Wait till you guys see this next thing, okay? Our liquid strobe. So cute. It literally glows the color of a unicorn. If you weren't aware of what a unicorn color is, it's this color. So we're gonna take that. Cute. So now we're moving on to the eyeshadow. The eye contour kit! My favorite! First we're gonna use Louis. Go right into the crease. Really, the only contour I'm obsessed with is eye contour. Now we're gonna go in with Bond Street. Our highlighter in this palette is called Dreamer. The brow highlight, love it. Let's go. Let's do a cat eye, baby. We're gonna move on to the cat eye, which is the best part about this. I like to do a sharp cat eye with a felt tip. First I go I cut this one in the box. So you gotta see it in the box, it's so cute. This is the mascara for the East Coast glam look. Two sides, two possibilities, but 3 steps. First, we're gonna do mascara, then fiber, then mascara again. Root, shake, lip, root, shake, lip. So I love when you can see the fibers building up on your lashes. It's really exciting. Then I just go right to the tip just to get those tops first. Well, look at that. It's genius. We are going to use Tora today. Tora is named because I'm a Taurus and this is my signature color that I use. All the lipsticks are named after people that I love, by the way. The Tora pencil. I like to take McCall just on my finger. You can mix whatever you feel. Try it at home.